A rate is a ratio, and anytime you see ratio, I want you to think of fraction. Rate is a ratio of two quantities that have different units, such as miles and hours. That is probably the most common ratio you hear of. 60 miles per hour, 20 miles per hour. Unit rate is a rate with a denominator of 1. So all that is, it's miles per 1 hour, right? Or dollars per pound. So let's write some of those examples. Miles per hour, dollars per pound, right? All of those make sense. You hear that all the time. That's all we're doing today, and you already know how to do this. So number 1 says, on her way to visit her parents, Jennifer drives 265 miles in 5 hours. What is her average rate of speed in miles per hour? So go back, underline and highlight all the important stuff. You might even underline this miles per hour because that's telling you what goes on top. Miles per hour, this right here is the per, right? That's the dividing. So you're dividing miles divided by hours. So let's do that. 265 divided by 5. And then when you're done with that, make sure you write a sentence. Of course, you don't have to use my sentence. You can use your own. When you're ready, hit play. We'll go on to number 2. Number 2 says, Mrs. Cooper ordered 22 boxes of colored paper. The total cost was $158.40. What was the cost of each box of paper? So we need the cost of each box. And we ordered 22 boxes, and the total cost was $158.40. If it said what was the total cost, we would be adding, maybe multiplying, but they give us the total. We want to know what each box costs. So again, you are dividing $158.40 divided by 22 boxes. And you need a sentence. What was the cost of each box? The cost of each box was blank. And I'm going to let you do number 3 on your own.